dịka anwụrụ, o nwere onye ọ na-eze. Ndewonu, afọ mbụ Chiomoji, achọrọ m iwetara unu tata ọtụtụ ilu Igbo. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eli okwu. Gee ntị ka ilu dị iche iche. Also, today's Igbo proverb is dedicated to late Nollywood actor John Paul Odomodo. I want to say to you, brother, rest in peace, my brother. Ọnwụ dịka anwụrụ, o nwere onye ọ na-eze. Death is like a smoke, it comes to anyone. Onye nwụrụ anwụ, aka ọrụ ya ka a ga-echeta ya. The literal meaning to that proverb is, whoever dies is only remembered by their handwork. You are remembered by your legacy. Whenever you are alive, or while we are still alive, the only thing we can do is to try to keep good legacy. Onye nwụrụ anwụ, aka ọrụ ya ka a ga-echeta ya. Nwaanyị dị mma rapụ gị, ọ na ị gaghị enweta ọnọchi ya. If a good woman leaves you, when she goes, you will never get a replacement. The moral lesson to that is, value everybody. Never take them for granted. Never allow an opportunity pass you by. Opportunity comes.
Yeah, bros. Don't leave me there, bro. No man. Nobody the love. Don't leave me there, bro. No. Don't leave me there, bro. I get 3 children. I'll be good. Listen.
Let's relate it to this late Pope's death. He's gone now. When he was alive, a lot of people were not posting him. A lot of people didn't notice him. Some liked him and some didn't. But now he's gone. You will never get back the replacement of him. He was an opportunity.
Rest in peace to Junior Pope, John Paul Odomodo. Rest in peace to you and every other crew members that were in that boat, both the one they could find and the one they later found. Rest in peace to you all. May your souls rest in perfect peace. We are sorry for this, and I personally think that this could have been avoided, but unfortunately this happened. We all had hopes that you will make it back to life, but unfortunately this happened. Rest in peace to you all. And to other film producers and content creators, take note of this.